It is 6:34. The snow also causing headaches for people trying to get in and out of town.
Just today, there's more than 6,000 flights canceled or delayed around the country. And BWI not been spared from that. More than 500 incoming departing flights have been grounded. That number is also expected to rise as we continue with the tough conditions today. If you have a flight today to catch, be sure to call your airline before heading out to the airport.
Yeah, you can see on that list a lot of cancellations from Southwest. Southwest was saying yesterday that they had planned on canceling all of their flights in and out of the Northeast area.
Yeah, a lot of